How to fix error while retrieving information from server problem and Google Play Store. So let's go. So first long press on Google Play Store and tap on app info. Now click on clear data. Tap on OK. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back and go to setting. Now enable airplane mode. Now again disable airplane mode. After completing this process, your problem will be solved easily.